A golfer's handy resource, tips you should consider. While the professional sport of golfing lacks the violence and noise of team sports, like hockey and football, it does challenge its players to combine their sustained physical power with careful calculations and intense concentration. To get a leg up on your competition, check out this selection of golfing tips and tricks. In order to be good at golf, one of the basic things that you need to take care of is your grip. It is good to know how the ball will act in response to your grip. The tighter you hold the golf club, the more tendency that the ball will go to the right. The looser the grip is, the more tendency that the ball will go to the left. A great golf tip pertaining to the swing is to always limit how high you raise your arms during your follow-through motion. By keeping your hands low, you can keep the ball's trajectory low as well. Though you can achieve similar effects by using a different club or by bringing the ball further back in the striking stance, this method results in greater overall predictability. Good golfers never forget that the perfect golf swing is a full body motion. The hips and legs need to work in concert with the arms to maximize power and maintain accuracy. At the same time that the arms bring the club down, the hips should be swiveling, and once the shot is made, the legs should pivot for full follow-through. A timeless game like golf has much to offer in the way of problem solving, focus, and movement. It is a sport with a distinguished history and a roster of colorful characters and cultural connotations. The next time you prepare to tee off, remember the information that you have just read and consider how you can use it to improve your game. This one secret, dead simple move, is so powerful and easy to learn, you'll start hitting powerful, accurate, flush golf shots in minutes. Visit secretgolfhack.com to learn all of this and more. Ben Hogan's real golf swing secret, that he took to his grave, is finally discovered. And it's unlike anything you've ever seen before. Visit secretgolfhack.com to discover the secret and more. Link in the description.